Experience a refreshing way to care for your skin with the best Aloe Vera Gel Snail Gel Facial Cleanser. Each use feels soothing, helping tired skin regain its natural glow while gently washing away the day. The smooth texture glides effortlessly, leaving a calm, clean, and nourished feeling that lingers. It is more than just a cleanser. It is a daily moment of self-care that makes your skin feel loved, renewed, and beautifully radiant. Number 1. 260 ml Aloe Vera Gel Snail Gel Facial Cleanser Skin. A gentle touch can change the way skin feels, and the 260 ml Aloe Vera Gel Snail Gel Facial Cleanser Skin Care Facial Hydrating Moisturizing Smoothing and Repairing Face Care brings that feeling to life. With every wash, it creates a soft, refreshing sensation that calms the skin while lifting away impurities with ease. The smooth texture glides effortlessly, leaving the face feeling clean, balanced, and naturally glowing. Its soothing nature makes daily care feel like a relaxing ritual rather than a routine task. The blend works in harmony with the skin, helping it maintain moisture and softness while giving a healthy, fresh appearance. Each use builds a sense of confidence, as the skin begins to look more cared for and nurtured. This cleanser is more than a simple wash. It is a moment of self-care that turns everyday cleansing into a rejuvenating experience, making the skin feel renewed, comforted, and beautifully radiant. Number 2. Aloe Vera Gel Natural Snail Face Creams. The 150 250 ml Aloe Vera Gel Natural Snail Face Creams Moisturizer Acne Treatment Gel for Skin Repairing Smoothing. Cream brings a soothing touch that transforms the way skin feels every day. Its refreshing texture melts gently, giving the face a calm and balanced sensation that lasts. Each application feels like a soft wave of comfort, helping tired skin regain a natural glow while supporting a smooth and healthy appearance. The nourishing blend works in harmony with the skin's surface, creating a refreshed look that boosts confidence. With consistent use, the face begins to feel more cared for, hydrated, and beautifully soft. It turns ordinary skincare into a daily ritual that uplifts both the skin and the mood. This unique formula delivers a feeling of renewal, making every moment of application an experience that enhances natural beauty while supporting long-lasting smoothness and comfort that can be felt deeply. Number 3. FONCE Organic Pure Aloe Vera Gel 300 grams. The FONCE Organic Pure Aloe Vera Gel 300 gram Moisturizing Cream Sunburn Aloe Gel Natural Safe Sleeping Mask Soothing Lotion brings a calming touch that turns everyday skin care into a comforting ritual. Its refreshing texture melts gently into the skin, creating a soft, hydrated feeling that lasts through the day. Each application feels soothing, helping the skin regain its natural balance while supporting a smooth and healthy appearance. The gentle formula works harmoniously with the skin's surface, nurturing it with care and providing a renewed glow that feels fresh and alive. Using it daily builds a sense of comfort and confidence, as the skin begins to look more radiant and feel deeply nourished. It transforms tired skin into a refreshed canvas, making self-care feel special and meaningful. This soothing blend offers more than moisture. It brings a sense of relaxation, making every moment of use feel like a quiet escape that restores softness and natural beauty. Number 4. Aloe Vera Gel Skin Lightening Moisturizing. The Aloe Vera Gel Skin Lightening Moisturizing Tone Acne Removing Natural Organic Aloe Vera Gel After Sun Moisturizing Cream 120 ml brings a refreshing touch that transforms daily skin care into a soothing experience. Its gentle texture glides smoothly across the skin, delivering a calming feeling that helps tired complexions regain their natural glow. Each use feels like a soft wave of comfort, bringing balance and hydration that lasts. The nourishing blend works in harmony with the skin, supporting a clearer, smoother, and healthier appearance that boosts confidence over time. Its lightweight nature allows the skin to breathe freely, creating a refreshed sensation that lingers long after application. Using it regularly turns ordinary care into a personal ritual that uplifts both skin and mood. It nurtures with care, offering a feeling of renewal that makes every moment of use special, leaving the complexion looking radiant, even-toned, and beautifully revitalized from within. Number 5. ENVISHA Aloe Vera Gel Soothing Moisturizing. The ENVISHA Aloe Vera Gel Soothing Moisturizing Hyaluronic Acid Sunburn Repairing Treatment Skin Care Face Body Cream Antipruritic brings a calming touch that turns everyday care into a refreshing ritual. Its smooth texture glides gently, creating a soft sensation that comforts tired skin and restores a natural glow. Each application feels soothing, bringing relief while helping the skin maintain balanced hydration throughout the day. The thoughtful blend works harmoniously with the skin, supporting a healthy, nourished look that inspires confidence. Its lightweight nature allows the surface to breathe freely, leaving it feeling fresh, supple, and beautifully cared for. Using it daily transforms simple moments into meaningful self-care, allowing the skin to feel comforted and renewed. With regular use, the complexion starts to reflect a natural radiance, making every touch feel special. This gentle formula nurtures deeply, offering a sense of restoration that uplifts both appearance and mood, creating a smooth and refreshed feeling that lasts.